Are you looking for custom SEO solutions that actually provide results without putting your business in a box? Are you tired of fancy dashboards that don't actually inform you to make Are you tired of fancy dashboards that don't actually help you make informed decisions? With simple SEO, you get more bang for the buck without compromising on your branding and With simple SEO, you get more bang for the buck without compromising on your branding and services. Sign up at a reduced cost on a 12-month Sign up with us on a 12-month contract at a reduced cost. This helps set up the foundation for your business and helps you take it to the next level. Sign up with Simple SEO. Sign up with Simple SEO on a 12-month. Sign up with Simple SEO on a 12-month contract at a reduced rate. This helps set up the foundation for your business and Sign up with Simple SEO at a reduced cost on a 12-month contract. This helps set up the foundation for your business so that you can grow it to the next level.